Today we will learn how to get a ton of cheap storage using SD2VITA or PSVSD. For this video you will need a hacked Vita with Autoplugin. You will also want an SD2VITA version 5 or PSVSD and a microSD card. Finally, you will need Balena Etcher and the zzblank.img. Open Balena Etcher and select the zzblank.img. Click Continue. Verify the correct drive is selected, then click Flash. Format your microSD by right-clicking on it in this PC and clicking Format. Set the file system to exFAT and the allocation unit size to default. Don't give it a volume label. Click Start, then OK twice. Insert the SD2VITA or PSVSD with the microSD into your Vita. Launch Autoplugin and navigate to Plugins for Vita, Install Plugin for SD2VITA. Take note that if you have nothing installed on your microSD and mount it to UX0, you will not be able to boot anything until you've installed something. Click X. After installing, you can configure the mount points for the official memory card, internal memory, SD2VITA, and USB or PSVSD. The default settings are usually fine. Press triangle to save and your Vita will reboot. As noted, you will have no apps on your microSD, so reinstall VitaShell. Now that your Vita is set up, you can transfer apps from your official storage card to your microSD card. I personally prefer to take this time to do a clean install of only the apps I actually use rather than everything. Note that you can now easily reconfigure your mount points in Autoplugin at any time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Is this thing still on?